Up second big placer, Paul Jake. Bro, welcome back to Entertainment Live. How are you doing?
Good. Excited.
Excited?
Yeah.
Okay, excited ka ba sa He Said, She Said? This is He Said, She Said. Ang mangyayari, may mga tanong kami sa iyo. We wait for your answer, tapos we have some special women in your life na sasagot din ng same question for you. So are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Our first question. Paul Jake, anong body part ng mga girls ang tingin mong, ang una mong tinitingnan or that you find sexy?
Wow. Well, I think it should be the
curves?
Oh, yeah, the curves. Oh, the curves.
Ikaw ba, tumitingin ka sa future o sa nakaraan ng isang babae?
So, future po. Sa future.
Okay, sa future at sa curves.
Yeah.
Okay, pag nakakita na ba, for example, you're out, gumigimik ka, nakakita ka ng napaka-sexing babae, yun ang unang-una mong napapansin?
Well, yung una mapansin mo talaga is the face, di ba? So, the face is the first thing you'd notice.
Close second na ang curves.
Yes.
At eto naman, someone sexy na balita namin, crush mo rin sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Ito ang She Said.
I have no idea. Lagi nang ang ganda-ganda naman. Ganon.
So face, ang sabi ni Sam, tama ba? Okay, well, ang sabi ni Sam kasi, ay, ang ganda-ganda ni Sam. You're referring to the face, like what you mentioned earlier na mukha talaga ang una mong napapansin.
Yep.
Okay, our second question. Paul Jake, anong body part mo ang kinoconsider mong sexy? Ano yung pag nakikita mo yung sarili mo sa salamin, napapaganon ka?
I guess my broad shoulders na po. Broad shoulders.
Broad shoulders?
Yes.
Nawo-workout mo ba yan o natural yan?
Well, I'm trying to work it out, pero kaya nga.
Okay, well, eto naman, someone who finds you sexy, na balita naman ay celebrity na unang naging close sa'yo. Ito ang She Said.
Yung arms niya, kasi nakikita ko, nanonood kasi ako doon eh. Kasi nag-gym kasi sila so para malaki yung arms niya.
Ano masabi mo doon ng arms naman niya?
Wala po, just very shocked na someone realized that.
Kailan kayo nagkasabay ni Kim sa gym?
Inside the Big Brother house naman.
Ah, okay.
Gym.
Okay, well, your shoulders, tapos para kikiam naman your arms. Our third question. Paul Jake, handa ka na bang maging leading man sa TV at pelikula? Kung oo, sino ang gusto mong maka-love team?
Well, being a leading man, well, that would be a nice challenge. I'd take on it. I'm ready naman po. Pero I want to work on everything pa din. So,
Okay, well,
workshops.
given na nabigyan na sa yung chance na yun, sino ang gusto mong making love team?
I actually haven't thought of that yet.
I'm hearing two names, either Sam or Kathy.
Well, if si Cathy po, nandun si Hermes at si Johan. So, I
Sige,
guess si Sam.
artista. May umabot sa akin, Ann Curtis.
Si Ann Curtis. Ann Curtis.
Who's your celebrity crush? Your celebrity crush.
Crush Ann Curtis po. Ann Curtis is really pretty.
Do you think kakayanin mo gumawa ng isang eksena with Ann Curtis? Whether it be kikilig-kiligan, a kissing scene with Miss Ann Curtis, kakayanin mo ba yun, Paul Jake?
I don't think I'm gonna be ready for any of acting ni Ann Curtis because she's really up there and I'm just, starting. Pero I'd take on it naman din.
See, there's a challenge para kay Ann para sa industriya. Well, isang female celebrity naman ang balita namin, crush na crush mo at willing makapagtrabaho sa'yo. Ito ang She Said.
Sana one day maka-work ko siya. Siyempre, this season also is a big hit. Kaya why not? Shock na.
Paul Jake, your celebrity crush. Ano masasabi mo sa sinabi ni Anna? Hopefully, one day makatrabaho ka rin niya. Sinabi mong gano'n siya kataas, pa ikaw dun lang, pero it goes to show na gusto pa rin makatrabaho ni Ann.
Well, very excited po. And if ever we do get to work together, I'm gonna give it my all.
Anong gusto mong storyline kung magkasama kayo ni Ann? Ano naiisip mong plot?
I actually don't know. I'm not good at this.
Ikaw lang, your dream role. Nakasama din si Ann.
Maybe boyfriend, fiancé o mga ganun. I don't know.
Wala man lang barkada, no? Fiancé na kagad. Okay. Pagsimula, fiancé na kagad kayo. Okay ka rin, ha? Okay. Our fourth question. Paul Jake, attracted nga ba sa mga babaeng mabait at may sense of humor?
Yes, yes. Mabait talaga. Sense of humor, para sa akin yun.
Anong mas importante sa'yo? Yung nakakausap mo lang talaga or napapatawa ka? Kasi for me, iba yun eh. Iba yung someone you could have a decent conversation with. At iba naman yung pagkasama kayo, tawa ka lang ng tawa.
Well, happiness is, it can bring you a really long way sa relationship. So happiness would be,
Si
really...
Kathy, napapatawa ka naman.
Yes, everyone makes me
Si Sam din, napapatawa ka.
din,
Gusto mo
yes.
yung personality.
Yes, yes.
Anong gusto mo sa dalawa? Sinong mas nakakatawa sa kanila? Sino mas kasundo mo ang personality?
Well, si Sam naman po, we're actually working right now together sa Your Song presents Isla. And she's actually my fiancé in the show. So
Okay.
we're actually really close now in the, sa
Okay.
set.
At eto na, Paul Jake, ang isang babaeng at todo ang sense of humor na balita namin type mo rin. Wala kang pinapalampas, ha? She said,
Pamili ka pa para sa akin, pero bakit natin
Opo.
diba? Baka dinisip na, Paul Jake, tara na! Hindi siya mahirap mahalin din. Ay, ano ba? Kinig ako.
Paul Jake, ano message mo kay Pokwang? Nang balita namin, type na type mo rin.
Well, Pokwang's a really nice person naman din. I really like her and she makes me happy naman din.
Yes, that's nice to know. Pokwang makes everyone happy.
Yes, that's true.
Our fifth question. Paul Jake, gaano ka kagalante pagdating sa mga girls na very important sa'yo?
Gaano ako kagalante? Wow. Well, I tend to give them everything everything I have and well, most of my time I hope I can give it to them naman din.
In terms of giving gifts, for example, ikaw ba, do you set a limit na hindi ka lalampas ng ganito or hindi bababa ng ganito ang regalo mo sa taong minamahal mo?
For me, price was never
An issue.
an issue, yeah. Cheap or expensive, parang ganun. As long as I can give it and
The meaning behind
Yeah,
the gift.
the meaning behind
Okay,
the gift.
well, let's
Yep.
hear it straight from the most special girl in your life, Denise.
Well, it was our anniversary, our first anniversary. And then he surprised me. He said, okay, we're going to the Bahamas. So, yun, that surprise, it was pretty mahal. And then it was a surprise. It was really nice and romantic naman. So, we went to the Bahamas together.
Wow! You took her to the Bahamas?
oh yes.
How was that trip? Quick kwento. How was it?
It was really nice, a very good getaway, a very nice experience and we loved our stay there. It was a nice place, very beautiful.
Bro, your message para sa lahat ng mga wonderful ladies who share this interview with you. Message mo para kina Anne, para po a quick thank you para sa kanila.
Thank you very much for giving your time and taking the interview and I'm very happy to get the message from you guys. And
Yes, go ahead, bro.
Your song presents Isla. It's gonna be out on March 21. It's gonna be with Gerald Anderson and PBB Double Up housemates, Sam, Kathy, Tom, Johan, Hermes, Patria, Rika, and myself po. So I'm gonna be there. Please catch it, watch it.
Well, bro, thank you for being a good sport on
Thank you very much.
Said. Hope you enjoyed. Abangan niyo po ang Isla. Now, next up, Derek Ramsey and Angelica Panganiban in full alert sa pagsagot sa balitang break na sila when E-Live returns.